This is a how-to video on resetting a Minelab Safari. So, you see there's a few settings you can change on this. You may be getting some funny results, some falsing. What I tend to do is go for a factory reset. What you do is you basically power it off, and then when you power it back on, hold the power button and it should. There you go, factory preset. So, quick thing to check obviously is you got it on the right program. For me it's coin jewellery. So yeah, just a quick video on how to do that really. Not sure if it's the same for other Minelab detectors, but it certainly is the way to do it on the Safari. So hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.